Time to see the 17-year cicadas down in Des Plaines.
Mom, he's not videotaping.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. The red light's not on.
Yes, it is.
Oh, yes, it is. I couldn't see it.
As usual, Charlie's all screwed up. Here is beautiful downtown Mount Prospect. Pan to Mount Prospect for us all, Bruce. This is downtown Mount Prospect, circa 1990. The tower this year is light blue. In the past, it's sometimes gold, sometimes green. There's people peeing and everything else right in front of us. It's a really great place.
Mom, I don't think we should be here.
Let's
All right, we'll turn around.
It's
We gotta find a place to
2:54.
Oh my God, this is a biker convention.
Don't worry.
Hey!
Des Plaines used to be like a... They're looking for cicadas here.
I'm gonna get one. It's a real one.
They're not flying around here.
Look, look. Mom, come here. They're all over here. Mom, come here. Look. We have a real one here.
These are very little cicadas. They haven't...
Look, there's some coming out of its shell here. There's one coming out of its shell here. Good, I'm gonna knock it in.
Charlie's capturing a cicada in a shell.
Don't worry, it's not gonna hurt you. I know, of course it's not gonna hurt me.
Charlie, where are you?
I'm right here. There's one coming out of its shell right up there. Yeah, it's on the branch though. No, but we can't. Mom, hurry up over here. Hurry up. There's a real one right here coming out of the shell. Where? Come here. No, it's not.
Great butt, Natalie. Oh, gross.
Oh my God!
No, they take a long time to come out.
Look at this pile! Look at them, Mom. Look. Tape inside. Here.
Ah! Oh, gross. Oh boy, we're finding all kinds of great cicadas.
Wait, listen.
I hope you
Mom, we've got a sound in here. Listen.
can... Ew!
I can hear a sound. See, we get enough in here. Wait, let's go to a different tree. Look at this big tree.
Bruce, what are you finding? Look who comes out from behind there. Oh, maybe not. I thought Natalie was there. Where are you going?
They're all over the place. It's easy to get them. You've got a perfect sound. If you listen closely enough, you can hear their sound.
Yeah.
You want to fill this up?
Charles.
Oh, here's a perfect one.
Here, fast forward. Get a close-up view.
Hi, I'm Mr. Lily.
Oh, I got that. This is not as easy as it looks to do, you know that?
What, videotaping?
Yeah.
Yeah, see what I mean? See?
You know, you can actually eat these things. They taste like potatoes. They're also, if you fry them, they taste like blackberries. Come on.
Oh, Bruce found another one. Oh, he let it go. I saw that fly away.
Get a close-up view. Don't worry, it'll focus by itself.
Yeah, but it doesn't when you get real close.
Yeah.
Have you noticed that? Oh, that's gross, Bruce.
Hi.
Oh, gross.
Hi, I'm Mr.
Smile
Cicada.
for the camera, Bruce.
Yeah. Shoot.
Oh, don't step on him.
I think we have enough.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, you're gonna put ants in the cicadas? They don't do anything.
A whole bunch of ants.
Cicadas and ants don't do, cicadas don't do anything with ants.
Yeah, but
All
the
that will
ants-
happen is the ants might try to hurt the cicadas, which I think is a mean thing to do.
Yeah, Bruce not. Oh, they're all over this tree. Come here, Mom. Get them. Bring them. Bring the camera. They're all over the place here. And look, there's a bunch of dip.
They fly?
No, not yet. Well, yeah, some can. Pick them up.
This film is going to be famous someday. Do you realize 17 years from now I'll be showing this film to your children?
Yeah.
Put them in. Here. Natalie.
And don't worry, they're easy to catch. Stupid.
Oh.
What just flew down on my shirt?
No, I dropped it. I'm sorry.
Dork.
Calm down. They don't bite.
Watch him. Now
It's scary. Here.
Hi, I'm Mr. Cicada. Will you kiss me?
Well, they are scary.
Yeah, I know, it's scary. You're laying in your shirt like you just did.
Don't worry. They don't bite you. They won't hurt you.
I know, but it's
They're not like hornets.
They drop.
They're not like.
See? This one has orange eyes, and this one has red eyes.
Oh, gee, that's
Oh my
good.
God.
Whoa.
This is locust tree. I mean,
That's
cicada
focus,
tree.
mania.
It's locust mania.
No, it's
It's a locust barfarama.
Fighting to get out.
now look at this one. Its wings, these wings here have not been fully developed yet.
Charles.
But in a week, he'll be flying.
Well,
That one flies, so watch it.
Well, can I
Now
see
these, I will demonstrate of how to catch a cicada. You grab them by the side. Look at their
Oh. All right, you guys, get some more cicadas in here. I don't think I got. I think I didn't have it on.
Okay.
tape this.
It's
All
when
right.
it.
I got a lot of stuff. Well, we're gonna come back again.
All right, come on, keep on catching some more.
This one is almost coming out of the
Oh,
shell.
Charlie, bring that thing over there. Mom, you film all cicadas in a little jar.
I know it's
Good
alive.
Here it is.
Look at no.
Why are you emptying them?
I'm not.
Show Mom. Mom, film it on the cicada.
Come here, Charlie. Let's see what you got in here. Get a little away from the camera because it smears. Oh, listen to that. Smile, Charles. Tell us how happy you are.
Well, these cicadas are a couple of weeks old. Drop them in.
Jeez.
He's on your finger, Bruce. Just pull them up. Hear it?
Cicada
Gross
time,
me
cicada
out.
time, cicada.
We gotta catch more. Mom, this.
Oh my God, I can see them falling out of the tree. Oh, gross. Oh, they're hitting me.
This guy's good.
I think we got enough. You know that?
These two are actually in the process of mating.
Oh, pull them apart. This is real. Oh, geez, look at all these skins on the ground.
Just get them all. I'm mad at them.
Why?
They're all dropping on my head.
Look at how big they are. Do you see how big some of them are getting? Look at this one over here, how big he's getting.
Let me see
They
him.
get bigger and bigger, I'm telling you.
Let me
Look
see
at
him.
this one.
Oh, he's huge, but see, he's just coming out of his shell.
Let me get a good look of it.
Are you going to put some in our trees in Arlington Heights? Put all these. We're going to put all of these out so that they can mate in Arlington Heights.
Yeah, and look.
And then we'll have cicadas in 17 years.
Yeah.
It's possible to
Well, I
do
won't
that.
be around in the check
course.
first.
We'll put them beside the tree in our front yard because that's the one that'll still be here. Look at that. All right, we got enough cicadas.
I know, I'm so attached to catching these things. So nice.
Come on, let's go.
Mom.
That was fun. Say goodbye, Cicada.
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you next week, next year, next 17 years. In 17 years, Natalie will probably have babies. You think Bruce will be married 17 years from now?
No.
How old will we all be in 17 years?
26, I think.
You'll probably be married too. And Bruce, how old will you be in 17 years?
I don't know.
Well, 17 plus 15 is what?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
32.
Yeah, 32.
You're gonna be an
I'll
old man. You'll be definitely a father.
Oh.
Natalie, how old will you be? You'll be 33. God, she'll be old. She'll have wrinkles by then. We've taken a whole bunch of cicadas from Des Plaines, and we've put them on this tree so that we can have cicadas in 17 years. Isn't that neat?
Next time they'll show up, it'll be in
2007. I don't know if we'll be living here then. We'll see.
I think we will.
There's Natalie helping me put some on.
This one just died.
think?
This one just died, so this is how we laid them to rest.
They're falling off the tree.
Throw them out in the street. Swell, Nat. Oh, Dad's home. Come on out. We took a whole bunch of cicadas and we brought them here and put them on our tree. Come and see. Oh, come and see, Bruce. Come. Bruce, come and see them. We put 1 million of them on this tree.
Put them on the tree.
Come see.
Transplanting them to Arlington Heights.
Yeah.
Did you get them? Just playing?
We got them at Des Plaines.
Well, I hope to God I'm not around when these guys come.
It's hitting the battery sign is on, Bruce.
What?
The battery thing has come on.
Let me see. Bear.
Charge your battery.
Let me see it. Can I see?
Yeah, it's on record run.
Oh, that means the batteries are running low.
Oh, well, that's all right. Keep it going just for a couple more seconds. Those are coming out of their